is very professional person, and he helped me very well in both transactions. And I am so happy with the transactions that I am here again for another one. For professionalism, I can say 9 to 10. Very well. He is very well knowledge about Irvine area to me, and I say it because of some comparison. Because in the middle of the transactions, actually another realtor, he was supposed to help me, and I noticed that he doesn't know exactly what's going on in Irvine. But the estimation and what for me and pictured me of the future of the market, it was pretty correct. It was very good, yeah. Yes, and as I said, besides that, again, I am here. I am here to buy another property with the assistance of Fu. So to me, it's the greatest recommendation.